Groceries in 2025 are no joke. Prices are skyrocketing, packaging is shrinking, and somehow your cart feels lighter while your bill keeps getting heavier. It's frustrating, but you're not alone in this. The good news? There are real, practical ways to fight back. In this video, I'll share 15 powerful money-saving grocery hacks that actually work in today's economy. From smart shopping habits to strategic planning, let's stretch your budget without sacrificing the foods you and your family love to eat. 1. Make a smart grocery list. Start with a well-thought-out grocery list, but not just any list. Use apps like Flip or Out of Milk to plan your meals around current sales and weekly deals. This strategy helps you focus only on what you need, reduces food waste, and prevents those costly impulse purchases that sneak into your cart. When you plan your meals and stick to your list, you're not just saving money, you're shopping with intention and making every dollar count. 2. Buy generic or store brands. Embrace store brands. They've come a long way in 2025 and are often just as good as, if not identical to, the big-name products. In fact, many are made by the same manufacturers but sold at a fraction of the price. Skip the fancy labels and give them a try. You might not even notice the difference in taste or quality. This one simple switch can save you 20 to 30% on your grocery bill without sacrificing what you love. 3. Use digital coupons and weekly ads. Always check your store's app for digital coupons before you head out to shop. Retailers like Kroger, Walmart, and Target offer exclusive in-app discounts that can add up quickly. Pair those deals with weekly ads to spot the best savings on essentials and plan your shopping trip accordingly. It takes just a few minutes, but using digital coupons consistently can make a noticeable difference in your total bill every single week. Don't leave those savings on the table. 4. Use Cashback and rewards apps. Did you know you can actually get paid to shop? With Cashback and rewards apps like Ibotta, Fetch, and Rakuten, you earn real money just for buying groceries. Simply scan your receipt after shopping and watch the points or cashback roll in. It's like using a digital coupon that rewards you after the fact. No extra effort required. These apps turn everyday purchases into easy savings, and over time, those small rewards can really add up. 5. Buy in bulk, smartly. Buying in bulk can be a great way to save money, especially on non-perishable staples like rice, beans, pasta, toilet paper, and freezer-friendly items. These essentials often come at a lower cost per unit when purchased in larger quantities. But here's the key: only buy what you'll actually use. If it ends up sitting unused or going to waste, it's wasted cash, not savings. Be strategic, stock up on what you know you'll use, and watch the savings build over time. 6. Shop once a week, max. Those quick grocery runs might seem harmless, but they add up fast, and usually lead to extra, unplanned spending. By limiting your shopping trips to once a week, you gain better control over your budget and avoid unnecessary impulse buys. It also helps you plan more effectively and reduces food waste since you're more likely to use what you already have. Stick to a weekly routine, and you'll see the difference in both your fridge and your finances. 7. Use a price book. Keep a simple price book, either in a notebook or on your phone, to track the prices of your favorite items at different stores. This habit helps you recognize genuine deals and avoid falling for marketing tricks disguised as sales. Over time, you'll get a clear picture of the best places to shop for each product, and you'll know exactly when it's time to stock up. A price book puts you in control and ensures you're getting real value, not just flashy discounts. 8. Eat before you shop. Hungry shoppers are impulsive shoppers. When you shop on an empty stomach, everything looks tempting, and it's easy to toss extras into your cart. Eating before you go means you shop with a clear, focused mind and stick to your list. This simple step helps keep your grocery bill lighter and your spending under control, saving you both money and unnecessary food waste. So grab a snack before heading out and watch your budget. Thank you. 9. Freeze it before it spoils. Bought too much chicken or noticed your bananas are browning fast? Freeze them. Preserving food before it spoils is one of the easiest ways to save money in the long run. Americans throw away about $1,500 worth of food each year. Don't be part of that statistic. Freeze leftovers, Use veggie scraps to make homemade broth and store food properly to reduce waste and keep more money in your pocket. Smart preservation equals smart savings. 10. Join a loyalty program. Don't overlook store loyalty programs. They're free to join and packed with perks. Members often get exclusive discounts, special pricing, and personalized coupons tailored just for you. These savings may seem small at first, but they add up quickly over time. By simply signing up and using your loyalty card or app at checkout, you can stretch your grocery budget further without changing your shopping habits. Every bit of extra savings counts. 11. Go meatless. Once or twice a week. Meat can be one of the most expensive items on your grocery list. Trying meatless meals once or twice a week, like Meatless Mondays, can save you $5 to $10 per meal. Swap in affordable, protein-packed alternatives like beans, lentils, or tofu. Not only will you cut costs, but you'll also enjoy healthier, delicious meals that add variety to your diet. It's a simple change with big benefits for both your wallet and your well-being. 12th. Shop seasonal and local produce. Fruits and vegetables are always cheapest when they're in season. Visiting farmers markets or focusing on your store's seasonal produce section can save you up to 50% compared to buying out-of-season imports. Seasonal and local produce not only costs less but also tastes fresher and supports local farmers. Making this simple switch in your shopping habits is an easy way to enjoy great flavors while keeping your grocery budget in check. 13. Price match and compare unit prices. Always check the price per ounce or pound before you buy. Sometimes the smaller packages actually cost less, so don't assume bigger is always better. Also, take advantage of price matching policies at stores like Walmart and Target. If you find a lower price at a competitor, ask the cashier to match it. This simple step ensures you're getting the best deal possible without extra effort, helping you save more on every grocery trip. 14. Stick to the perimeter. Shop the perimeter of the store. That's where you'll find fresh, whole foods like produce, dairy, meat, and bakery items. The middle aisles tend to be filled with pricey, processed, and packaged products that can quickly add up. By focusing your shopping on the store's edges, you're more likely to choose healthier options and avoid unnecessary extras that inflate your grocery bill. It's a simple way to save money while eating better. 15. Know when to shop. Timing matters. Shopping early in the day or late in the evening can score you the best deals. That's when stores often mark down bakery, meat, and deli items to clear out inventory before closing. Catching these markdowns means you get quality products at a fraction of the price. Being strategic about when you shop lets you take advantage of discounts that don't last long, helping you save money without compromising on what you want. Saving money on groceries in 2025 is all about strategy, not sacrifice. Which tip are you going to try first? Or do you already have a grocery saving secret? Drop it in the comments. We're all here to help each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more smart money tips every week. Thanks for watching.